Alright, we're live on YouTube. Vertizoid, what's happening, man? I was expecting to see the man sitting on an embody chair. No, that chair isn't for the stream. I have this Hayworth chair. Man, what the hell is this chair called? Hayworth Fern. This is the Fern, that's right. Is it the Fern? Yeah, Hayworth Fern is my streaming chair. We're on opposite trends. I suck at it still. It's fun trying to solve the problems, but I really need to learn algorithms and improve my DSA knowledge. Yeah. I know the structures, but I haven't implemented them much from scratch, and I don't really know algorithms, so I need to study those. Yeah, it's all about studying those things, Sergeant Pepper. You might be an extraordinary developer, building things and doing cool stuff, and you know your way around, like programming. But algorithms, if you haven't trained specifically for algorithms, you're not just gonna come in and figure it out, you know? You gotta like study the algorithms, man. Anyways, yeah. I was tempted though, Vertizoid. I was tempted to bring that embody in here today, but I don't know, man. That's gonna be... It's actually my girlfriend's chair. It's not my chair. It is my chair, but I'm allowing her to use it mainly because I already have my Air on. That's my main chair. I've had that chair for the Air on I had for about 5 years or so. I mean, I can't just figure out Dijkstra's path by staring at a LeetCode problem. Yeah, you probably could, man, but I don't know. It might take you some time and you might have to write a PhD thesis on it. Bobby Blue is in the house. How you doing, Bobby Blue? Welcome to the party. You are not first or second today. You are third, it seems. Oh, and Saddam from YouTube. What's happening? You might... Well, Bobby Blue might be fourth if Saddam from YouTube counts as third. There's so many good news today. Have you seen? Bobby Blue, if you're talking about all the offers that people's been getting, then yeah, I've heard about a few of the people. Maybe we'll talk about that when these people show up. Lurker Simon? No, I don't lurk that much, man. Does YouTube count though? Future Highway, YouTube counts for sure, man. What's happening? Oh, by the way, I gotta update my website today, but hopefully I remember. I want to add you, Future Highway, onto the LeetCode streamers. I've been seeing you doing a lot of LeetCode lately. I also want to add Solaris. Solaris has been doing LeetCode for a few months now, or weeks, I don't know. Yeah. Sergeant Pepper, maybe you too, if you start doing more LeetCode. You gotta let me know if you're gonna be a LeetCode regular. Wait, he's doing easy questions, but he is so... Wait, who's doing easy questions? Q Ultimus is in the house. How you doing, Q? Welcome to the party. I'm up to easy medium. Oh, yeah. Everyone gotta start somewhere, man. Ain't nothing wrong with doing easies and mediums. Kind of might have to jump into the job search pool soon, so that's why I finally started. I need to get past those initial screens. Yeah, Sergeant Pepper, I don't know what type of job you got right now or any of that or what your ambitions are, but man, it's a pretty sweet deal to study some LeetCode and get paid $250,000, you know. And then after you get in, you're able to learn at a scale that you can't learn anywhere else except for big tech companies. That was one of the main reasons I wanted to work at a big company, is I just wanted to see how things are engineered at global scale, you know, like billions of QPS per second. And now I've been exposed to that, and I think it has really opened up my mind to how engineering is at this level. Before I was just like clueless. Current title is Principal Swede. Dang. Principal Swede. Jeez, why are you doing leak code, man? Wait, let me read more. Full stack web dev mainly, with some DevOps and automation stuff. But I think with the competition, I need to be able to answer those kinds of questions as well. All right, well, I guess you're already making probably more than $250,000 as a principal suite, man. So, I don't know. But yeah, if, I guess, well, I don't know what a principal suite does. I know a few at work, and they don't even code, man. Oh, it's a smaller company. I see. Stephen Saggy Ball, aka Stephen Ball, because somebody reported him for his strange username maybe a couple years ago, and he had to change his username. Anyways, Stephen Saggy Ball, do you have any news to tell us, man? What's going on? I'm happy to see that you're alive. Stephen Saggy Ball went on a blind date yesterday with somebody from Bumble BFF. And oh, he's pregnant. I guess things worked out, man. Anyways. Oh, Saddam says from YouTube says, let's go. Time to fail and learn. I also up for any leak code, easy, medium. All right, I'm only going to be doing the daily problem today. Then I'll be doing web dev stuff. Brent Arata in the house. Just got my tax return calculated. Next month is gonna hurt, man. I've been, I gotta do that too, man. I don't know how much money I'm gonna owe, but I feel like I'm gonna have to sell some stocks to pay my taxes, man. I mainly help design the systems, front end, back end, help the team out to grow, jump in when they need help plan new features, stuff. Used to be about 30 engineers team. Now we're down to about 12. Dang, 12. That's like a one team or something. I only owed 800 this year. Dang, Q Ultimates, why are you owing tax money, man? I'm not supposed to owe money. 30K. Dang, that's a lot, Brent. My tax return is gonna be dumb because of severance and my vacation days. I technically made a lot on paper. Yeah. All right, let's get started, man. Enough. We've been talking nonsense for like 15 minutes. All right, let's do this. I owe because of the health insurance penalty in California. I don't know what that is. That's like if you don't have health insurance, you gotta pay money. All right, daily problem time. It is a medium problem. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Remove all occurrences of a substring. Given two strings, S and part, perform the following operation on S until all occurrences of the substring part are removed. Find the leftmost occurrence of the substring part and remove it from S. Return S after removing all occurrences of part. A substring is a contiguous sequence of characters in a string. Okay, so 1,000, they're looking for some type of n squared stuff, it seems. We'll be back in about 10 minutes. Alright, cool. Makes the situation, yeah, the tax thing for the health insurance. Alright, I guess that means like everybody should go buy their health insurance. What do y'all think the Q stands for in Q Ultimus? I think it stands for, who knows, man. Quack? Yeah, I don't know, man. Quintus or Quinton. Cutie pie. Hola or holla. Man, is it hola like Spanish, or is it holla? We them boys. Anyways, welcome to the party, man. All right, let me think about this. Hola. Well, it could. Wait, holla or hola? I must say that's holla. Like Jay-Z or something. All right. So inputs are 1,000 and the part thing is 1,000. After Wiz Khalifa song, I see. I don't really know any Wiz Khalifa songs. I only know the name. I think Wiz Khalifa kind of came out after my time, you know. I stopped listening to rap music and hip hop music maybe around the end of my college days. I don't know, man. I go back every now and then. Very old song. Yeah, I was never really into Wiz Khalifa. Maybe I should have been though. Alright, so what am I thinking about here? It's like, I mean, C++, right? I think I could do this in Python really easily, but I don't know how to do it in C++ because I don't use substrings that much. But I guess you just find Python trick. I don't know if it's a trick. I could do it in probably anything with easy search and replace, you know. I only know 2 of his songs. Dang. All right, here we go. Here we go. I was thinking to use a stack. Don't you know Q? Q from James Bond, Q from Star Trek, and the Q continuum? Come on, what are you talking about, Q? Yeah, C++ has substrings, but the syntax is, I'm not familiar with it, man. So, alright, I guess. Yeah, I guess I will try and use a stack here. And then every time, I guess I won't use a literal stack. Maybe I'll use a vector so I can iterate without having to pop. And I'm just gonna make sure that anytime we see an ABC in the back of this, like the last 3 characters are equal to ABC, then we'll pop off those last 3 characters and keep it moving. That's what I'm gonna try. So how we're gonna implement that, I guess the first thing we'll do is like, we'll check. So if, part.length. Okay, so if the stack is at least part length size, then we'll just check the last NP digits. How do I do this, man? So how should I say? The Q stands for Q. It could stand for Q. Man, this solution feels a bit whack, I'm not gonna lie. So if part K is equal to S, wait, stack J, then continue. But if it's not equal, maybe break. And then we want here, we want K to be -1, right? Because that means if K is -1, that means we've matched every part in part. We're going like backwards. So if this is true, then I will just pop back the size of part times. Can I do that, man? And then what do I do otherwise? I suppose I'll just push the current character, SI. And then, do I have to do this one last time? Can I do it like that? No. I should, maybe I should just reverse. Either I can reverse or I can just iterate from the back. Hold on, let me think here. I'm just gonna be lazy and reverse. Alright, I'm ready to move on, man. Hopefully this is right. Looks a little janky, but I think the idea should be okay. I hope so, man. Jesus Christ. Hold on, I gotta pee. All right. I'm back. Oh, shit. Come on, man. All right, I'm very excited to get this problem finished and move on to the web dev because I think we're gonna add that auth today, man. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. I don't know what to do here. I don't know how to debug my spaghetti code. Alright, where could this leak code leaderboard? Eventually. Where could this be messing up, man? It must be like something like here, right? Or I suppose it could be here too. Yeah, that could be a problem for sure. Here and here. Glump, what's happened? Oh, I want to add you to the dang leak code thing too, man. Wait, it's already reversed or what? Dab. Should I not reverse it? I don't know. Yeah, because it's not a real stack. I'm using a vector, so it's. Anyways, what a terrible solution, but it works. And how do you do on the weekly, man? I bombed it so bad, Glump. I bombed it real bad. Q1 took longer than it should have for me. I had some issues with the UI for leak code. Q2 took way longer than it should have. I was really stuck on Q2 for a long time. I'll show you my performance. And Q3 I tried, but I just couldn't get. I think I was really close. So I was only able to get Q1 and Q2. And the Q2 I had took me 30 minutes plus 3 wrong attempts, man. I think it was silly what I was doing, but I was able to figure it out. But 30 minutes for Q2 is like very not good for me. Extremely bad. Q3 super close. I feel I was doing the whole rule of divisibility stuff. And I had a lot of code, and it was like off by one somewhere. Couldn't figure it out. I got a wrong answer on Q2. Yeah, I got 3 wrong answers, man. Unfortunately. And then Q4, I didn't even try. I didn't even look at Q4. So maybe one day, but not today, man. Where my teeth? How are you doing? Welcome to the party. Simon, if I write a hello world script in Python blindfolded, can I get a job at Google? I think you gotta do a little bit more than that, man. Because everybody can type blindfolded these days. Everybody's training type racer. So that's not impressive. But if you can do twosome blindfolded, maybe you have a chance, man. All right, so we're done with the leak code. You know what time it is. It's web dev time. How does blindfolded help? Because it's impressive, man. All you're trying to do is impress your interviewers. So if I imagine this, you roll up to the interviewer gives you the question, and then you ask all the confirming things about your assumptions and whatever, and you get everything clarifying questions, and then you're like, hold on, man, I'm gonna blindfold myself and I'm gonna solve it perfectly. I think that interviewer is gonna be like, what the hell is going on? This can't be real. And they'll probably give you a strong hire, you know. Lost Worlds, welcome to the party. AI blindfolds? Nah. I mean, I guess they'd probably think you're cheating, but if you did that in a live on-site when you have to show up in person, and you just blindfold yourself and you do it on the whiteboard. Anyways, Um, you know what time it is, man. It is time to get this done. So let me open up everything. Is this stuff working? Wins a brute force for sure and not hash table method? Man, there's a lot of different ways. You can do the hash map for two sum. It might even be a 2-pointer you can do, like sorting with 2 pointers. I wonder what else you could do. Brute force for sure. Alright, so I'll tell you where I'm at with the website and I'll tell you what I'm about to be doing. So I signed up for Supabase last stream and I was playing around with it. And I got like API keys and whatnot. And today I will be adding, man, I'm not gonna lie, I've already worked on it a little bit. So I put this login button here. Alright, let me show you what I did, man. Well, we did this last stream. The only thing I really changed was like I added the login to my nav links, which I'm thinking I might change this a bit. I might put this like hard coded down here. We'll see, because I don't want it to say login when you're already logged in, you know. But we'll get to that. Oh well, I guess before we get into the web dev, Don't Defense has just redeemed a type racer, and I didn't hear it, man. A little gamble. All right, who's here for type racer? Who wants to race? Let's do type racer real quick. Novo M's, thank you very much for the follow. You guys didn't hear it either? Yeah. I don't know what's going on sometimes. Type racer. Alright, first race is the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Here you go, YouTube, Twitch, and my Discord. BetSim said your wife's sponsor for Code Chef contest. Code Chef, you guys taking Code Chefs? All right, here we go. Warm up round. Ain't no thing. Just a little warm up, man. Cool, 105 tied. But Don't Defense a little bit faster. I got 98. Guess with the 89. Clistar with an 82. That was just the warm-up round. Don't you worry. Championship round coming up next. Alright, championship round. Y'all ready? Let me drink some water. Hey, Novo M's, if you're still around, I got some news for you, man. Novo M's, you are my 9,000th follower on Twitch. Congratulations. You don't get anything special except a call out, I guess. All right, championship round. Here we go. Dang, this looks hard. I'm ready. Man, that was a hard passage. Guest with the 106. Whoever that guest is, if you take a screenshot of your championship run, I will put your name on my website. But if you don't do that, I'm just going to put guest. It's one of the most second places ever? Yeah, maybe. Alright, who are you, guest? Guest is from USA. That's the only thing we know. 106 miles per hour. Could be anybody. So if you want to go up on the Type Racer leaderboard right here, I need to see all that stuff. Otherwise, should I put guest like that? Let me see. Yeah, that's how I've done it in the past, just guest. All right. Oh, red 2 nice. How do you, or red 2 Nico. How do you screenshot? Print screen? Or something. Oh man. Should we trust it? Or should we just put guest? Alright, I'll leave it blank for now. Firefox can right click and screenshot. Interesting. I didn't know that. Alright, so let me see where I'm at, man. I gotta log into my Supabase, maybe. How do I log in here? Alright, I'm logged into my Supabase and man, I forget everything I was doing, you know. Alright, maybe I'll work on like this login page a little bit. We'll do that, we'll do that. So my login route, let's edit that. So how do I do that? I guess I want a few things. I need the header, so I'll just import that header. Do I put everything like this? Let me see. Yeah, so at least that has the header thing. Now, maybe I'll make this stuff styled a little bit nicer. Got to go, but don't forget to add highway glump and DD to the list? DD? Don't defense streams? Don't defense doesn't stream these days. But yeah, I should add some people to that list. Let me do that now before I forget. Hopefully this is not going to be hard-coded much longer, but let me add Glump, Future Highway, and I think I wanted to add Solaris, but I don't know how to spell his name. Solaris something. I don't know what Solaris's name is. Solaris 428. That's what it is. Alright, next time I push that. That should be alright then. Okay. Let's do some styling to this login page. So I guess I want these things to not be looking like that. Not sure how to do that yet. Can I just give this a style? Man, I forgot everything already. No, I don't use styles. I use class names because we're using Tailwind. Should I just hit them with the flex? And then which one goes flex row or do I want? No, maybe call. Yeah, maybe. Should I just give this dang thing to ChatGPT? That's what I'm gonna do. Wasting my time trying to style something so simple. I don't know. Make me a nice form login in HTML and Tailwind CSS. Let's see what they can tell us. I just want the component, you know. Dang, did it break? Just make Alright, let's see. I love how ChatGPT gave up. Yeah, I don't know what the hell just happened right there. Alright, I'm gonna steal the class names and see how that looks. No. This one, are they using labels? Yeah, so I put this like there, and then the password. I'm gonna put this there. I'm gonna see how that looks. Alright, maybe I need a lot more. Should I just copy the whole thing, man? Maybe. But I don't want to. I'm gonna just comment this stuff out. I just want to see how the style looks, you know. Alright, on form submit. Can't be doing that, I guess. Dang, that's what they're giving me, like this? Some junk looking like this, man? Do I want something like that? Oh, I'm still on Type Racer Cam. Jim Jam Biscuit, thank you very much. How come nobody else told me, man? You guys just watching me on the Type Racer Cam? Alright, we can try. We can try this stuff. Head over to MySpace to get some CSS to jazz this up. Nah, you don't like, man, you don't like this. It looks too corporate, is what you're saying. You think I should just give it my own style? Yeah, maybe I should like actually learn how to do CSS fast. Or decently. Alright, let me see. So what do I want? I don't know what I want. Maybe I want to like make everything centered, that's for sure. How, width half. Let me try that. Alright, how do I make that like centered? Margin. What's happening? Icy black deep. Alright, I'm gonna give it a background color. What is the background color? Tailwind, background color. Today's leak code was a one-liner in Java. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a one-liner in a lot of languages. Not in C++ though. Okay, alright, I see how it looks now. So, we're getting somewhere. Man, how did they make that look so nice? Let me see what they're doing. Item center on a flex. With full. Alright. Maybe I... wait. That's not what I was trying to do, man. Maybe I give them a div right here. It must be painful watching me trying to do, like, style this stuff. Because I don't know what I'm doing, you know? Jim Jam Biscuit, thank you very much for the hydrate. Cheers. Bet Simp, biggest fan. What's happening? Dang, this must be Bet Simp. Account is banned for 1 week? Dang, what have you been talking about, Bet Simp? That sucks. Big time. Man, alright, I'm just gonna copy everything here. I don't care about nothing, man. Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. That's quite obvious. Just expressing my love for all peoples, even the Gartic artist. I don't know what that means. From an empty div with no styles, you can just use the fragments. You mean like this thing? I don't know if it's not gonna have any style yet. It might have some styles in the future. But thank you. Alright, I guess it's starting to look like something now, man. Except I don't like this white background. So I'm gonna delete that. I guess we can remove this. I'll put some white text in there. Maybe we don't need this login stuff. There we go. That's all we need, man. Easy work. Maybe that button can use some styling. Let me see what they did here on the button. Where's the button? Dang, they have a lot of dang styles on this button. Come on, man. It's too many styles. Rounded corners like that. It needs a little bit of just like 3 pixel radius. What are you talking about? How do I do that? All right. I don't think I like the color of the button. What color should my button be? Maybe like that green button. I don't know what color it was. Green. Hot pink. Caveman crafting. Welcome to the party. All right, let me find that green. Where are we? Login, and then I'm changing this to this green right here. Wait, how did I do that? Can I just hit them background like that? Oof, that's too bright, man. We need to tone that down a little bit. Or something, right? It's like too intense. Maybe purple? What's that purple? No, I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it. Oh, I can just select like that? That's crazy. I'm gonna just tone it down a little tiny bit, man. Maybe a little bit more. White border for the input boxes. Or yeah, maybe I can make the grays not so dark. I don't know about the white border. It has a white border when it hovers over. How do I make that happen? Is it in the input? Let's just try something like that. All right, I'll use gray 100. How about that? Maybe gray 200. Wait, but now we can't see the white borders, and then the text is white. Let me rethink this. Maybe I use black. I don't know what to use yet. Isn't gray 100 white? Then what's gray 50? Because they had gray 50, gray 1, nah, gray 0 must be like whatever color. Nah, I think it goes up to looks like 1,000. Yeah, so maybe I'll try gray 500. That looks ugly, man. I think I'm gonna just leave it. to let me look at some login screens. Everything's ugly. Blends too much with the background. Yeah, it does. It's like too invisible. Should I just give it a... Alright. I got a different idea. How about... this? I'm gonna just pick a color that looks... I don't think I should be picking these ugly colors, man. Maybe... Alright, I'll leave it as black. And yeah, maybe I'll add a border. How do I do that? Border. I gotta Google everything. Nah, should I just leave it as white? I'm gonna just leave it white, man. Make the border stand out. Colored background is just looking weird. Yeah, it looks a bit weird, I think. But should I even... Hey, how did I get that thing to highlight? Do I... Alright, you think... Alright, how do I change the tailwind border color? Let me try. Okay. Border... Well, that doesn't have any borders, man. How do I make that do something? See, it has a border color, but it doesn't do anything, man. Regular CSC needs solid and thickness. Okay. I probably need that then. Border radius, border width. Oh. I just hit them with the border, I guess. There we go. Maybe I should make it this green. Alright. It is what it is. I'm going with this for now. Maybe in the future I'll change it, but I think I spent too much time. Looks a bit ugly. Looks... Alright. I said I'm done, but I'm gonna change it one more time to just white. Alright. We're done. We're done here. So this... What was my password? Testing 1 2 3. This works, man. So now let me do the same thing. Alright, we made that login page look somewhat okay. Let me now edit my profile page. So this needs like a header right there. And then I gotta figure out some things here. So I made, like, I was messing around offline. I made this class that I don't know if it does anything. Hold on, I forget how I set everything up. So I'm trying to, what am I trying to do here? Oh yeah. So when I log in, there's a lot of junk going on in this code. So this is my session and all my data. So in this session, I wish, yeah, I need access to it. So I should probably use some type of context here, but I don't really know much about that. And I don't think my app is too crazy, so maybe I'll just do some prop drilling. But I don't know how to do that. So this is my index page. How can I send? All right. Yeah, maybe I do need to figure out this auth stuff. Or I mean, not this, what do you call it? The context stuff. All right, so this is my index page. And this, what's it saying? I guess this loader gets triggered when the page loads, and we try and get the supporters, get the streamers from my API, and then it tries to get the cookies. I don't know like what this request is. I suppose this means the cookies that we have saved on in our browser, and then we try and get the session with the cookie. What is happening, man? How did I even get here? Let me take a look at the login page. So when we log in, you press submit and this function gets executed. And it tries to sign in. If there's an error, we return the error message. Otherwise, it redirects to the profile page. But then where do I save the dang cookies? I don't save those cookies anywhere. So right now, how can I see where I'm saving cookies? Oh, yeah. This is where I do it. Het Tannis, thank you very much for the raid. What's happening, Het Tannis? I am doing web dev. I feel like these days that's all you see me do is web dev. Wait, how the hell did I create this cookie, man? I don't know what I'm doing, clearly. I thought I had everything figured out. I've been thinking about this auth issue like the whole weekend without really coding, and then I thought it was gonna be easy. I was like, yeah, everything makes sense. When I get in here on Monday, I'm just gonna code everything up in like 10 minutes and we'll be done. But it's not the case. Okay, I have an idea. So I log in. Look, it knows who I am. How can I inspect my cookies? How do you do? I don't know any web dev, man. Where are my cookies at? Local storage. Oh, this looks like a cookie. But who put that there, you know? Down there, 3 down. Oh, this one. But what is this local storage versus the cookie things? I'm not sure. Let me look at my code again. Insomnia for the connection? What? What do you mean? Hold on. Hold on. I think, what do we need to do? Let me try to, all right, because I feel like I'm not creating any cookies. Maybe it's like leftover cookies from when I was experimenting. I'm so lost in my own code base. It's not even that complicated, the code, and I'm still lost. All right, let me try and clear this out. And then, and let me restart this. Isihogo, what's happened? Everyone that says front end is easy is a genius. I just tried writing some front end tests. Holy shit. I've never written any front end tests. Alright, so it says I'm not logged in now, which is correct. I am not logged in. And then do we have any local storage stuff? We don't have any cookies, nothing. Nothing nowhere, right? That looks normal. Then I'm gonna hit this login. Testing 1 2 3 is my password. And I log in. And now it knows I'm logged in. But I guess I haven't created any cookies. So maybe those cookies were, or that local storage thing was just like something that I made previously and I didn't clean up. All right, anyways, back to this stuff. So maybe, do I save my cookie after I log in? Supabase session. No, I didn't even have a dang. I didn't even call. Remix has some stuff here to write to the cookies. Oh, this is probably the same thing up here, the create cookie stuff. Alright, clearly I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to do something. So what I'd like to do is when we log in, I'd like to save all that auth stuff somewhere. Man, I had a chat GPT thing. Let me pull it up. 1 second. I have to hit that chat GPT on my personal account real quick. Can I? All right, let me see. All right, what was I trying to do here? I was trying to see how they do this cookie stuff. So all right, where do I save the cookies though? This is Auth. I'm not doing any of that. I should probably make a logout thing, but we'll get there. Yeah, this is, I copied this junk. Supabase automatically sets a session cookie when you use server-side authentication. You can customize this with your preferred session duration and refresh tokens. Wait. Supabase. I did this. I did that. I think I did some of this stuff, right? The login page and whatnot. So when it... Oh, so this is an action... Oh, it's making sense now because this is Remix. All of these are server-side actions, right? Man, Hennylicious, thank you very much for the raid. What's happening? My name is Midnight Simon, and I usually do leak code, but here I am trying to do some front-end dev, and I'm not very good at front-end. Trying to figure it out though. I love seeing some new tech I've not seen before. What kind of tech are you used to seeing? AOS dev, what's happening? Welcome to the party. Yeah, this is all new stuff to me too, man. I usually do C++. So, all this front end, CSS, I don't really know. All right. He does Django, Python and Django. Interesting. I don't really know much about Python or Django. There's just too much to know out there, man. All right. So I see what's happening. This action thing is like a server-side function, and it gets the request with the thing, and then we authenticate the Supabase stuff, and then it says like on successful authentication, it creates a cookie, but I don't see any damn cookies, man. So I don't know how that works, because look, it remembers me. When I close it, it knows who I am, you know? How did it do that? All right. I gotta figure this out. Don't use a framework so you don't have to know how it works behind the scenes. Talking to me, man? I just need to see things so it makes sense. So I know how to proceed. But like, how does it know I'm logged in? If I close the thing, it like, and then I go back, it just knows who I am. All right, maybe there's some cookie extension. Chrome inspect cookies. How do I do that? Applications, cookies. That's where I was, right? So in this thing, developer tools, application, storage, cookies. But there's no cookies, man. So I don't understand how it knows who I am, you know? Do you know what I'm saying? Big Brother is watching? You think that's how they know? Because if I cleared, all right, incognito, it still knows me in incognito. That doesn't make sense. That must be some weird stuff. It's not supposed to know who I am, right? Maybe, Does hitting the refresh next to filter help? It does not. So I just cleared everything. So maybe I have a feeling now like all that information is stored somewhere. I'm confused. So it's all right. All right, if I reset this thing, everything is null, null. Cookie is null, okay. Everything is null, but then I log in. And then everything is still null. Well, let me see about that now. Look at that, cookie null. Is that true? And then I refresh. Cookie is still null, so it's not getting it from the cookie. It must be from this thing. I see. So there's no cookie. There's no cookie. I don't know what I'm doing here anymore. So that's the session stuff. Did it say anonymous false at the bottom? Wait, what do you mean? Where? Maybe I should just like read the docs, huh? Man, I was ready to do all this stuff, man. It's ready to go today, but it's not making sense anymore. All right, let me see what the chat GPT was telling me to do. So when I hit the profile page, turn, I don't know what this is. Is this, where does this return to? Who knows, man? All right, I gotta test this out again. I have no idea what's going on, but I would like to figure it out. So I'm gonna log in. Let me see what's coming in here. So this is my request. But they don't tell me to, they said it gives the cookies back, but it doesn't actually tell me to like set any cookies from at least that thing, right? Maybe this one. No. What's this? And then in the response, this is like some remix junk. But oh, this looks like the session. Oh yeah, so alright, I see. So this is like whatever they're returning here. Let me just, alright, let me do some experimenting. To try and figure out how things work here. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know what that says. Alright, so this is like, it just returns some JSON data, but what the hell does it do with this data, man? Alright, let me read the chat GPT a little bit more. Then apply this cookie to persist Supabase sessions. What do they mean by that, man? Alright, we don't want that magic link stuff. Alright, it's time to go to the dang Supabase documentation. Because I'm feeling pretty lost with what's going on. So we do all this. I don't know what this is. Detail what's happening. Not familiar with Supabase and how it gets the session, but it might not be showing the cookie in Chrome DevTools because I think it's an HTTP only cookie. Wait, what does that mean? And yeah, I don't know what that means. Set session. Man, I really just have no idea what I'm doing. HTTP only cookies will show up in DevTools. They just won't be accessible to JS. Mikey Boone, welcome to the party. So it's like I'm not even saving the cookie anywhere, but then the Supabase stuff says that if we handle this authentication server side, which I think we do, since this on the login junk, where is it? This login, I think this is a server side, right? It's like a server side action, and then it authenticates, and then it just returns a redirect to this page. And then, wait. Let me see. Let me just start everything over. All right, here we go. Here we go. Login. I'm here, right? And then, so there is no cookie there. So then how can it get a session with a null cookie? Oh man, I can't read all of this stuff. I guess Supabase already knows I've authenticated without needing that cookie. Because there's clearly no cookies here. Why did you use React for this? Isn't React like the industry standard for stuff like this? Anyways. But the site is so simple. Yes, right now, but I have big plans for this website this year. I mean, I started with HTML, CSS when I created my website originally. And this was what the website used to be. And now I've migrated to React instead of hand coding HTML. And I got a lot of features planned for my website. Right now I'm just trying to add authentication, man, but it's not going too well. Have you checked the applications tab of DevTools? Yeah. But I guess I'm confused because it says that Supabase will automatically set cookies, but it's not doing it, you know? You'll have users with logins and shit? Yeah, I'll hopefully have users with logins and shit. Lots of shit. All right. Did I miss something in this? Maybe Chat GPT is just giving me not so great information here. Hmm. How do you use this file? Supabase automatically sets a session cookie when you use a server-side authentication. You can customize this. I don't know. Oh, that's like a server-side function. So should I like rename that? And I guess what after you log in? Maybe I need to see some more examples here. But they only have like this super basic thing where all right, let me check out their Next.js stuff because it's supposed to be similar, right? Oh, it says it's a deep dive. Oh shit. Am I ready for a deep dive, man? I don't know. But this is Next.js. I'm not even using Next.js, but I think it's similar to Remix. Sign in with password. Why is this stuff also confusing, man? I thought Supabase was supposed to make things easy. I feel like I should have just rolled my own simple stuff. I haven't technically worked in 5 months. I did a decent amount of studying, but not real work. Well, it sounds like you're about to be working real soon, Steven Sagiball. It's because you're trying to understand? No. I don't understand anything. Alright, so maybe this stuff isn't... Alright, Supabase, Remix, Auth, server-side, cookies. Just ask Cursor AI to implement this. Get it done in 2 minutes. Man, I've tried Claude and I've tried ChatGPT 4.0. Is Cursor AI supposed to be good at this type of stuff more than those things? Cursor with a Claude Sonnet? I don't even know what that means. Cursor looks like what was built into Cider. Interesting. I just implement Google Auth with Supabase in 5 minutes. Yeah, maybe I gotta be on your level, man. I don't really understand any of this stuff. So they only have legacy docs here with Remix. Yeah, look, they're doing all types of other things here. I can just set my headers like that. Maybe that's all I need to do. Now I'm jetting for your Japan trip even more. What? What do you mean even more? Waste an hour looking through docs. Yeah. This is also supposed to be learning experience. But yeah, I've been stuck on this for some time, not making any great progress. But, response. Create server client. Maybe that's what I need, man. Maybe I'm using the wrong thing here. I'm using Supabase, regular Supabase clients. Well, maybe there's nothing named there. Hold on. What is this? Supabase Auth Helpers Remix. So they have something specific, but then they say, oh, hold on, I have to, excuse me, I have to sneeze, man. Jesus. All right, let me check out SSR, server-side rendering, and Auth. Yes, yes. That's what I'm trying to migrate to right now. So they tell me I gotta read these docs. So wait, this whole page, they're telling me, they're telling me to use this, but then they don't give me anything. They don't give me any, nothing, man. Oh, quick starts. I'm not using Next. All right, let's start with this. Remix. Oh yeah, that's what I need right here. Okay, okay, man. I think now I'm about to make some real progress. I hope. Create server. Wait, how do I install something? This command, right? Uh, Fitnit app. Caden, let me check it out, man. Personal gym in your pocket. Fancy. You said AI made this whole thing? That sounds crazy. Is that you? Nice push-ups, man. So, cool. Yeah, I'm not there yet, man. I haven't made anything. I don't even know how to authenticate. Anyways, back to whatever I was doing. Yeah, do all that junk. I did all that junk. And we're here. So this is in the loader. Should I put this in my... Alright, I'm gonna put this stuff... I think I see what's going on. I'm gonna take these things out. I'm gonna create my server clients. Oh shit. I guess I should just copy everything, huh? Wait, let me think. Supabase, create the thing. Get all, set all. Let me continue reading a little bit more. Man, are these docs complete? I feel like every time I click a link, it just tells me shit ain't working anymore. All right. I'm just gonna copy it in. me see if I can get anything to work here. Man, I really thought I'd be making more progress tonight, but it's all good. Maybe next time. Oh no, it's not working. Parse cookie header is not defined. What do they mean, man? I don't know. I think it's clearly because I just don't really understand anything. Now I'm feeling like maybe I should just do it on my Hono and handle everything on my back end. Does that make sense? I gotta think about that. If I was a real front-end dev, maybe I could understand what's happening here. So this is creating this Supabase stuff. And then what's this though? What's this cookies stuff, man? Like get all, parse cookie header. So this is a server, no. This is the server-side action, the action part, right? Get all, set all. Think it's the TypeScript stuff? No, because I got types here, right? Man. Everything sucks. Front end sucks, man. When you don't know what's going on. Hepta5, how are you doing? I'm not doing too great. Isn't Auth a backend function? Well, the way Remix works is like it has these server-side actions, which is kind of on the back end. It is on the back end. So how come my shit not working now, man? Can't be reached. Did I break everything? All right, time to Control Z. Oh, not that, not that. Oh. I'm not sure. Oh, it's just not working because probably this stuff. we're back. So I can log in. Or I used to be able to log in. And then what does this return? This returns something. Auth token response password. How can I inspect that? I just want to see what the hell that is, what type it is, you know, like what's inside of it. Okay, here's what's inside of that stuff. I guess this session is what we really want. So can I set like cookies manually? Because this is on the server side. I would really like to have this in a cookie. I guess this session. So maybe I can what's this? Redirects, remix, redirects, set cookie. Type redirect twice. Oh, look at that. Headers. This is... I'm gonna try some things here. This is backyard engineering. This isn't real life, man. This is some serious bootleg stuff. Alright, why is that tripping? Response init to set headers. Oh, I see. Okay, and then I guess this cookie is just like a text, yeah? What is this commit session? What is that? Wait, how does a set cookie look? Cookie equal. Okay, so Anyways, let me try this junk, see what happens, man. It's already 11 p.m. Have not made much progress again today. Too many tabs open. Here we go, log in. I want to look at my network. Submit. Oh, look at that. Set cookie. So, alright, let me see if we have this garbage cookies. No, but maybe we should still have a cookie in. Oh, alright. So, maybe now I can figure out the rest. So it's stuff.data.session. All right, let's try that. Not much progress times 1,000, and you made decent progress. Wait, what? In the last two web dev streams, I haven't made much progress, Q. But hopefully it's coming soon. All right, now. Oh, Jesus. Do I just put the access token in there? All right, let me see how they're using the cookies once they find it. Serialized cookie header. All right. Maybe all the documentation is on this dang thing right here. Man, it says please refer to this, but then the docs are so lackluster, man. It's a bit annoying. They only got Next.js, you know. All right, whatever. We can figure it out. I'm gonna just put the access token. Wait. Can I just... This is like some... I don't know what all this stuff is. Base 64 decode. Junk. Let's see what this stuff is. It's kind of junk. Man, they told me it handles the setting the cookies, but they lied to me. All right, this is what I'm gonna do, man. We're gonna use this. Let me see if it works first. Log in. Right. Uh-oh. Let me restart it. Oh, it's not even running. That's why. Come on. All right, let's try this again. Testing 1, 2, 3. My cookie. This is just an access token, and maybe with this access token, maybe we can figure out if we are logged in. So now that I actually have the dang cookie, I'm gonna say oh look, the cookie's right here. And what, like, so it takes in a cookie, but so it needs a cookie in this format. Data session. Or what? Let me think. If it gets a session, what session is it looking for, you know? I can't read none of this stuff. Man, I don't know what any of this stuff is saying. Alright, so this session looks exactly like that other session. But how do I save that as a cookie? Are they just like how do they serialize that? Maybe that's where I use that serializer thing that they're talking about. I feel like I'm rebuilding everything, like reinventing the wheel here, because I have no idea. Commit session. Maybe this is like a dang normal commit session thing. Let me just try it out. Not too familiar with Supabase, but it seems like by default it stores its JWT tokens in local storage, and you have to do extra work if you want to use cookies instead. Yeah, I don't know what that really means. But so I get the session information from this. I just don't really know how to use it properly. Like, man, every time I go and search on Google, I always type Momo, because at work, that's our internal search thing. Sessions. All of these are optional. So create cookie session storage. Yes, this is maybe what I need, huh? I'm gonna just copy this whole dang thing, man. What am I doing? I guess I'll just make like something like this. Then I put session.ts. I don't know. Stuff.error.message. Oh, right here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Struggles are real out here tonight, man. But one day, everything will be working. Hopefully. I mean, this is not a function. Looks like a function to me, man. DDoS 210-2015. Thank you very much for the follow. Testing 1 2 3. Alright, what the hell just happened? Session storage, local storage. No, I don't know what happened. Oh, how frustrating everything is. Pets, hello world. What's happening, man? How you doing? Stare, stare, stare? What you talking about, man? Man, Pat, I'm struggling out here trying to do front end, making a fool of myself. Someone redeem a name variable. All right. Yeah, I'm not doing the name variable for my web dev. Have you tried Lord and Savior GPT? Yeah, man, I think GPT has got me into this mess because it gives me like code that doesn't even work. And I'm trying to figure out how the hell do I make it work, you know? Starting to think that doing all of this stuff was a mistake and I should have just had it kept like a simple auth on my ends. Or maybe I'm just a dummy and I don't know how to do any of this. I hire a Chinese programmer overseas to do my job. Man, that sounds like a good idea. Do 2 coding jobs and hire cheap Chinese programmers. Easy work. Yeah, 150,000. Nice. Sounds like you got a successful company going on over there, man. User ID. Oh man. This stuff, I just don't know what's going on. That profile pic, what you talking about? Pat's Hello World. I wonder if I'll ever be able to afford a house. Don't, wait, what am I not clicking? I'm not clicking anything, don't you worry. Anyways. I don't know what to do anymore, man. I feel like I gotta think about this problem some more and figure out my next steps because I can't get none of this to work. Pinto Fu, what's happened? For once, Java made the LeetCode daily easy. Yeah, I think all the languages made it easy except C++. I like Colorado. I probably want to move back and buy a house. Dang, y'all want some type racer? Alright, let's do a type racer, man. Take a little break from this dang web dev stuff that's not going too great right now. Here we go. First race is the warm-up, second race, championship round. Gamble? Alright, who's here? Let's do an easy gamble. It's just gonna be... Would I get triple digits? Yes or no? Oh man, I should have raised Pat, but it's too late now. Dang, low road sim racing is in the house. Here we go. First race, warm up. Second race is the real one. All right, warm up round. Let's do the warm up. don't defense 117. Low road sim racing 133. 109 for me. And that, yeah, that was the warm-up. Warm these nuts. Mad Flash, welcome to the party. Dang, Pat 76. Clistar 76. Icy Black Deep 77. All right, here we go. That was just a warm-up. Championship round is about to begin, man. Y'all ready? And the bet is, will I hit triple digits? I guess I'll wait until the time is up before I start. Oscar, who? Welcome to the party, Oscar. Dang, $15,000, just like that. Variable name is only for Elite Code streams, so I won't be implementing that. All right, here we go, here we go. It's about to begin. Woo, 104. Low road sim racing, 130 miles per hour. Don't defense, 115. This is so unfair. What are you talking about, man? Dang. Q, 87. Guest, 97. Clistar, 85. Icy Black Deep, 79. All right, let me add low road sim racing to the website. Low road. Wait. Let me just make sure. Wait, how? Man, 130, right? 130 miles per hour. There we go. Low road sim racing, the 12th win. 130 miles per hour. On the phone with someone really slows you down. Yeah, man. You can't be multitasking like that. When are we gonna study system design? Hopefully never, man. Hopefully I never have to study system design. Um, 115 would have won me most races, yeah. Do we have any prize for top 3 all-time winners, such as a giveaway or something at the end of this racer season? Nah, we don't have anything like that. It's just for bragging rights, really. It's just so that people's names can be on the board forever. But maybe one day I might add some rewards. But then it's like, it's always gonna be Pixel Pusher who wins it, you know? Make a Type Racer trophy? Ah, man. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. Are you currently working at Google? Yeah, I still have a job there. This when Simon used to give away Lambos. Yeah, right. If you make a second place trophy, I deserve it. Yeah, maybe you or I don't know. Q has gotten a lot of second places too, probably. Alright. How the hell? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do here. Man, what the hell? What the hell is that? PKCE? What the hell does PKCE even mean? Proof key for code exchange? Man, this all sounds so complicated. For what? Man, DDoS, you keep asking the same question. I told you I'm not gonna be implementing it. Here, I'll redeem you if you really want your points back or something. I don't even know how to redeem or refund. Nah, I'm not refunding anything now, man. Y'all trying to redeem too many of that stuff. I might even take out that redemption since I don't really use it that much these days. Anyways, I just don't know anything, it seems. Let's create an endpoint. Jim Jam Biscuit, thank you very much for the hydrates. Cheers. Oh, I see what they're saying here. I'm gonna try it. I didn't refund anybody, man. You got scammed. That's for sure. Because I don't know how to refund stuff. Which is my bad. Yeah, I was trying to figure it out, but I don't know where my queue is. Oh, I see. Finally. Alright, let's see. Let's see what. Look at all these dang variable names 3 years ago. Rejects. Rejects. There. Okay. So I'm just gonna continue chugging along here with the dang auth stuff. Why is it tripping? this is crossed out. Deprecated. Oh man, I don't know what that means. Alright, I gotta read this junk, man. I think I should really study this stuff before I try and come up here and freestyle, you know? Wait, we don't... This is like... We don't need this. This is for like confirming an email, but I thought Supabase handles that stuff normally. Man. I forget the original thing you're attempting to solve. When I first joined, you were essentially trying to have a session data accessible. So I'm just trying to figure out how to do authentication properly on this stuff, and I'm trying to use Supabase because a bunch of people recommended Supabase. I don't know what the hell I'm doing with this Supabase stuff, man. And then I'm using Remix also, and it feels like all the documentation is for like Next.js. And anytime I click on something Remix, it's like they don't really have much. They don't even have any guides or anything. So that's why you need to roll your own auth. Don't defense. I think I'm leaning towards that after the last 2 sessions that we've had, man. Because if I rolled my own auth, I think it would be simple. Like, I just hash some passwords, put them in the database. And I guess, how would I know that a person is logged in successfully? I guess people, see, I don't really know web dev stuff, but maybe Java, I don't know what JWT stands for. JSON Web Token, is that what people use? Do you have earrings? What are you talking about, man? No, I don't have earrings. Alright, don't defense. You think I should roll my own auth? UX Derek, thank you very much for the follow. Alright, I gotta find like somebody must have done Supabase auth with React Remix. How many tats do I have? I don't know, maybe 1. 100% roll your own auth. It's an amazing learning experience. Oh man. I will think about it because I don't know how much more I'm going to get done tonight. But I feel if I rolled my own off, I would be constantly making progress. Even though it might be a bit much to build out, I think I could have something simple, you know. You can add fun features like change password, invalidate other logins, storing cookies in the database. Yeah. Wait, have you rolled your own auth don't defense? Or I don't even know what you do don't defense. Do you even work, man? Are you like in front end or C++ or what? No, but I always dreamt of a day where I could roll my own auth. Alright, I might... Wait, look at this guide. This guide is probably what I need. It's a little bit old, but maybe it's still relevant. I'm a janitor. I love cleaning toilets. Man, you're a janitor and you are a dev shop, apparently. Outsourcing your work while you clean toilets. That's the secret to success. Alright, should I follow this guide? Looks promising. So, Supabase server, client server thing. Here we go. I'm gonna just copy it, right? Supabase. Wait, shit. Supabase. Summer work in Disneyland. Those are the most loveliest toilets to clean, probably. Man, everything is deprecated here. Alright, I'm gonna leave that. And then it's saying the sign-in page. Alright, alright. Okay. Serialize was truncated? That's what I meant. Deprecated? Wait, what? Deprecated. Yeah, I don't know why it's deprecated. Please use parse cookie header. Should I use that? Or should I just roll with the deprecated stuff? I'm gonna just roll with the deprecated stuff for now, man. See if it works. Alright, so we got that thing, and then they're saying I need to, instead of using this Supabase, I should use the server Supabase. Right? And then I do all that. And then blah, blah, blah. And then I just return something with the headers. So what I'm returning is this, but instead of setting those cookies, I'm just gonna return the headers, and then I'll see what this does. Oh, Jesus Christ. I feel like I've wasted a lot of time today on this stuff. But it's all good. Oh yeah. Hold up. here we go. So this is my URL. And this is my key. You need to watch Heretic movie? What is it about? Alright, let's see. Something just happened. But I ain't too sure what happened. Oh, but we got some dang cookie thing going on right there. Look at that. Set cookie. Oh, lordy. This is good, right? This is real good. Yeah, there's my dang cookie that I need. Google trailer? No, man, I ain't Googling that. Sounds scary. Okay. So now, I'm gonna not use that. I'm gonna use the other thing. I got just too many stuff open. So I need this here. All right. All right, let's try it one more time. Testing 1, 2, 3. Is it working? I don't know. I think I'm a bit closer now. Maybe we don't have to roll our own auth, don't defense. Maybe we can get by like this. Yeah, own auth? Wait, man, chill. Does your manager watch your streams? I don't think so. Maybe if she did, I'd be fired. She sees how terrible I'm at coding. Is that what you're trying to say? Would it take 10 times longer? Yes, but you learn 100x. Yeah, maybe. What am I looking at, man? Not near enough excitement when you reference Google. What do you mean? Let me try some of these things out in my profile page. So loader, this is a loader, right? Loader function args. I got action function args. I don't know which one I need. I'm gonna try the loader stuff. I'm slowly learning what the hell remix is all about this way, I suppose. So we get a Supabase client. All right, let me see what this is gonna do for us. So how do we use these dang loader things? I think I use one in one of these routes. Type racer maybe. There's a loader. Use loader data. Let's try that. How can I... Is there like a toString for everything? I guess I could really just console log. There's some stuff there, man. User. Maybe I can hit them with a user dot user dot user. Hold on. All right. Now comes the real test. Incognito. That means no cookies, no nothing, right? You are not logged in. Not logged in. I went to the profile page like that, right? Nothing puts me there. And then when I go here, it says I'm not logged in, but that's not necessarily true. Let me go to the profile page. I am logged in. All right. Oh, JSON stringify. Yeah, well, all right. I think I kind of figured it out now with that little help. I see clearly what's happening, man. And I think I can... it's time to end stream soon, but I think on Wednesday I can make a lot of progress. Because it feels like things are how they're supposed to be. But here's the real test, I suppose. I'm just gonna close the remix thing. And then my cookies should still be there, right? And then I'll restart the thing. And then I'll just go straight to my profile page. And if it puts me to the login screen, something is terribly wrong. And if it goes to this screen, there's money in the bank, man. Finally, money in the bank. Now I see the pattern and I know how everything is interconnected. I think All right, I was really confused about these dang server-side actions or loaders or whatever and how they work, and the Supabase clients and what it's really doing. But I was thinking that the Supabase client was on the front end side, like the client side, but this is actually on the server side because Remix has the server side functions that it works with, and that whole, however they designed that, it was a bit confusing because it wasn't really sinking in for me. But after I just struggled with this for like 2 hours, I think I can see a little bit more clear. By the way, by just resting and vesting, I jumped from top 0.02% of leak coders to top 0.01. Maybe if you also rest and vest, you'll become Guardian. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get Guardian the good old-fashioned way, though. I think I'm pretty close. Dang, so that 2 hours just to figure out that dang stuff with the cookies. Now the thing is setting the cookies when we log in on this server side function or server side action, whatever. Wait, what the hell? I gotta figure this out. What the hell is the difference between action and a dang other thing? Loader arg, what was it called? Loader function arg. So maybe a loader function is like just a get request, a get endpoints in the server side function, and action is, yeah, delete, patch, post, or put. That's what it seems the difference is. All right. A long stream for 2 hours figuring out how to set a dang cookie with Supabase clients. Now we got the dang cookies and everything is all good. I think today was not as productive as I had hoped, but Wednesday is gonna be super productive, I think, because now that we have like the basic pattern for authentication and stuff, and we're setting our cookies properly, then we can just go ahead and start making some changes. Maybe I can. So I only want to use Supabase for authentication. I've been reading like people do this all the time where they just use the Supabase users auth thing for authentication, and they have all the other data stored in-house, which is what I'd like to do. I'd like to store all my data in-house. I don't want to really use a database service or anything. So next, I guess when we have this user registration stuff, I'd like to each user to be able to set some settings for their stuff. Maybe their leak code username. Another thing I want to do is I want to be able to get the login with Twitch Auth stuff working. So if you do log in with Twitch or link your Twitch account, then maybe you can claim ownership for these subscriber names on the front page. And when you claim ownership for them, I'd like you to be able to change the color of your stars or your diamonds or whatever. Like just some simple things to mess around with. Long term, what I'm really working towards is it's kind of a secret, but I've talked about some of it. One of them is a new type racer, or type blazer is what it's going to be called. And that's in-house type racer. That's like a dream of mine. And I think it will also be a great learning experience to deal with WebSockets and stuff. So if I can get this website maybe some extended leaderboards, not only type racer leaderboards, but leak code leaderboards and other things, and have some nice sockets working on this website as well. I think things are gonna, it's gonna be a good year if I can get those things done. Anyways, that's all. That's all I got, man. Feel like I should just end it now, or I guess I could update my website. There's some things I want to change. Whenever I go offline, there's a dang 0, which shouldn't be there. I don't know where it is though. Oh, this thing. I don't know how to do a ternary or something. So only if I'm online, I want to show this. I could put gray or red for offline. Yeah, well, it goes white when it's offline. But I'm online now, so it's hard to see unless I go offline. Looks like Pat's streaming. But when I'm, oh, I guess, you know what? It's time for me to go, but I can show real quick. The website is starting to look so good. Can't believe how big the improvement compared to before this started. Don't defense. Thank you very much for such kind words, man. So yeah, this is my old website. This is like been around for a few years, and I always thought this looked a little bit janky. This clearly looks like it's something from the 90s, which maybe it was kind of my intentions. But the new updated site, I really do also feel it's looking nice, but I feel my opinion is biased because of course I'm gonna think like my shit don't stink, you know, or that the stuff that I make is hot shit. There is still a lot of work to do. I really would, man, I have big plans and I keep saying that. And we're making incremental progress. If it helps, I think it doesn't look good. Yeah, you can think that for sure, but I'm not gonna change it for now. Cloud security engineer here. Glad to see a fellow techie here. Yeah, what's happened? Well, we're in the dang software development category. There's a lot of tech people on Twitch in this category. Anyways, I would really like to get my authenticate. All right, I'm gonna talk about real quick some plans I have for the future. Once I get this auth stuff fully working and people can register, that's like my #1 priority right now. And after that, I would like to get some problems under all these topics. And then I also want to make a really super basic WebSockets on this website. And maybe anybody who connects to the website, now you're connected to this WebSocket server that is like one giant room. And wherever you are on the website, I would like to show all the registered users who are also on the website. And I don't know how crazy this sounds. Maybe one room, like one WebSocket room. I don't know the limits, if it can hold like 100 people or 50 people or 10 people or 1,000. I don't know. But I'd like to have people's cursors and stuff, like you can see when people are moving their mouse and where they're clicking, and maybe even like some cool things like that. I don't know why I want to do it, but I just want to do it, man. Imagine like, I don't know, is there like a shared doc? Yeah, think about like a shared Google Doc. But instead of, like you can see people typing in the Google Doc, imagine if you could also see their mouse moving around the screen. That's what I'm working towards for learning mostly, but I think it'll be a cool feature. And if I ever get my problems and stuff, then if you're all right, like let's say you're studying from this list and you're in some binary search problems, then we're in that one problem or the list of binary search problems on that page. Then you can see who else is on there too, studying the same topic. And you can see them moving around like they're active. And then maybe you can even message them and say, hey man, you want to study together? I don't know if I'm explaining it nicely, but this is like a vision that I have. Why is the AAA thing in prod? Yeah, I forgot to take it off. Don't worry about that. I'll fix that soon, one day. So this is like my main focus this year, just slowly working on this website, adding all of these features. Should take 2 minutes. Yeah, I can solve it. But the problem is like deploying it. I don't feel like to do that tonight. But Wednesday we'll do that, man. Because it's time. Look at the time, man. It's midnight. That means I gotta go. So let's go raid Pat's Hello World. And then I'm out of here. I gotta go to the dentist tomorrow, man. Alright, today's stream, I feel not super great content because I just stuck most of the time. But I'm happy I figured everything out, man. Freepy, what's happened? But you're Midnight Simon? Yeah, that means at midnight I'm out of here. Because I got things to do at midnight. I just woke up, dang. Well, maybe you're in Europe or something. Alright, thank you everyone for tuning in. He does this joke every stream? What joke? I don't joke around. Freepy, don't defense. See you later. Thank you for tuning in. Jim Jam Biscuit, adios. See you next time. I saw you, Jim Jam Biscuit. I saw you send some messages on YouTube that I missed. Sorry. At midnight time, I leave at midnight. That ain't no joke. Don't defense. That's real deal. 0x53C. Have a good night. Welkinet. Adios, amigo. Q Ultimus. Dita. See you later. Pinto Fool. Have a good night. DDoS 210 2015. See you next time. Where are my teeth? Adios. See you Wednesday maybe. And yeah, hopefully Wednesday will be a much more productive stream because I need some solid progression made on this website, man. All right, we're about to go raid Pat. See you later. Adios, YouTube.